Hello, I'm Curtis Wood with Vintage Bible College, and I'd like to invite you to attend our free seminar, which takes place on Saturday morning, December 5th at Vintage Bible College. We're calling it EMMANUEL, God is with us. Has the world been a little crazy lately? You don't know what to do? You just remember that no matter what you're going through, you're never alone. As a believer, we're always in God's care. When faced with opposition, God promised Israel in Isaiah 41:10, "Fear not, for I'm with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God." He said, I'll strengthen you. He said, I'll help you. He said, I'll uphold you with the right hand of my righteousness. God's right hand represents His mighty power. You just be assured that no matter what you're going through, God will never abandon you. He's promised to strengthen us even in the moment of our greatest weakness. That's what we're going to be talking about in the seminar. The topics include God is with us in times of trials, God is with us in suffering, God is with us in battle, God is with us in the storm, God's with us in change, God is with us in the victory, amen, and He's with us inexorably, which means that God is with us relentlessly. He will never leave us. We can take that to the bank. The free seminar takes place by way of live interactive remote video on Saturday morning, December 5th, right here at Vintage Bible College, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. The sessions start at 8:30, go all the way to 1 o'clock. You can study from the convenience of your own home. We'll get you the information. You just log in and you can join us. We'd love to have you. You can call us at 336-759-0591. That's 336-759-0591. You will register in less than a minute. Or you can log on to our website, vintagebiblecollege.org. You can register there in less than a minute. Do it now. You'll be glad you did. I look forward to seeing you in the seminar and hope you have a blessed day.